My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Juke. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have our Bose Personal Plus sound system. To the left of our steering wheel, we have our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control, voice control, and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access audio, our menu, navigation, and our camera. Just below the screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. We have the choice of 3 different driving modes to choose from: Sport, Eco, and Standard. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.